started driving trucks since 1978. I will stop. 5 years now, I will not drive again. If I'm still alive, I will stop. I will retire myself from the job.
Will rise like mountains, like mountains.
You can get problem with the highway robbers, the gunmen. It was around 4 o'clock early in the morning when we are coming from Lagos. On approaching there, we just saw the gunmen. They blocked the road and nowhere to go with our vehicle. They started shooting. Yes. When they started shooting, then we parked the vehicle and ran inside the bush.
Highway robbers, bad roads and daily traffic accidents are an everyday reality for Nigerian truck driver Matthew Uda. Matthew is currently working for one of the world's biggest land reclamation projects, the Eco-Atlantic, a project that started with the intention of protecting the Victoria Island's eroding shoreline. Soon the project grew, resulting in the building of a 10 square kilometre artificial peninsula that will lay the foundations for a new business and residential district in Nigeria's biggest city, Lagos. Every day, as many as 200 trucks travel from the different stone quarries to contribute to the 8-kilometre protective stone wall that separates Eco-Atlantic from the sea.
We are heading to the jungle. We are going to carry a stone from Ibadan to Lagos. The stone is being used for the embankment of the ocean. Every day we make one trip. This vehicle gives me a lot of confidence. I have a full confidence in this vehicle. When I'm driving, I don't have fear. Now carry this thing. Wait. Come, no scratch my motor. No triangle. I was telling him that he should not scratch my vehicle. He's trying to scratch my vehicle. You see the accident? Yeah. Trailer fell down and with container. Trailer with container fell down. Some drivers don't take precaution because when you see that the road is bad, you have to go very gently. Yeah, we are now inside Lagos, Victoria Island. We are now heading to the beach.
Around half of the protective wall is complete, and it's estimated that the peninsula will be finished in 2017. Matthew's work in building the future goes on. Tonight, just like 6 other nights a week, he will sleep in his FMX truck to be ready at 4 in the morning when the first trucks head back to the quarries.
The driving work that I'm into, he helped me a lot to become a man and to solve my problems. I have achieved many things in driving. I train my children. I built my house. So what else do I need in life?